Get them to worry about losing you. They will chase you. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers. Today we've got the plumber here. We've got the housekeeper here. We've got all kinds of things going on in the house. So if you hear some noise, whatever, that's just the way it is. We're in the middle of it, as they say. But I wanted to get this out to you because I think it's important that if your specific person, the person that you are in a relationship with, if they begin to feel like they could lose you, they'll step up their game. They'll give more. They'll become more. They'll try more. And they'll achieve more. High flyers, want to thank you for subscribing to our channel and want to remind you to always click the bell icon. That way you know when the next video is coming up. We're here almost every day with a new video to empower your life. If you have a strong self-concept, if you have strong self-confidence, if you have personal power, it increases your magnetism. And that literally draws people to you, including your specific person or the one that you desire. The more you love yourself, the more you take care of yourself, the more you look after yourself and feel confident about who you are, the higher you raise your vibration. You see, high flyers, they will worry about losing you when they begin to see and feel that powerful self-concept that you have. And when your self-confidence is so strong that you are now focused on your own personal life journey, not theirs. There was a song out in the 70s by, I think it was by Barbra Streisand. And it said, "People who need people are the luckiest people in the world." And I remember reading an early Wayne Dyer book where he said, people who need people are the most unluckiest people in the world. In other words, it's okay to love someone. It's okay to like someone. It's okay to enjoy someone's company. But when you start needing them, you become needy. And guess what? They feel that vibe. And oftentimes, even subconsciously, they take advantage of it. So when you no longer need them because you love yourself so much and you're on your own life journey, guess what? They worry about losing you. Your self-confidence, your personal power create your magnetism. Never forget that, because that's the secret. And the stronger your magnetism, the more they worry about possibly losing you. Okay, so what do you do? What do you do to really kick it up a notch and get them to worry about you even more? Well, you have to have clear boundaries. You have to be able to say the word no. You see what I'm saying? Look at people have trouble saying the word no. Well, listen, I can't make it over Wednesday night, but how about I come over Thursday night? No. If you can't make it over Wednesday, we'll catch each other at another date, another time. No. Well, I can't be there at 5, but I'll try to get there around as soon as I can. And then they come knocking on the door at 9:00 at night. No. Sorry. Can't come in. Time to go home. Have a good night. Saying the word no drastically increases your personal power. And I'm not saying you have to say no to everything. I'm just saying have boundaries. and stand by your boundaries. They will worry about losing you because all of a sudden you've got these boundaries and you're not breaking them. Well, next, this is very important. Excuse me, I'm getting a call from Rachel. I've got to take it right this moment. I mean, I can't even wait a second. I can't even finish this video. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. What I'm trying to say is you don't jump every time they text. You don't jump every time they call. You don't jump every time they say they want to get together. Hey, I've been really busy. I'm sorry I haven't called you in a month, but how about Tuesday night? No, I'm not jumping. I'm doing things on my timeline, not on yours. I'm the prize. I'm the diamond. I'm the jewel. I am the one worth worrying about. I am the one you should worry about losing. Well, next, you need to spend regular time every day, even for 3 or 4 minutes. Just close your eyes and visualize them losing you. Visualize them stepping up their game. Maybe they're not drinking so much, or maybe they've given up cigarettes, or maybe they're working out more at the gym, or maybe they're talking in a more kinder fashion, or maybe they're being more responsive to your needs. Whatever it is, you're visualizing it and you see it clearly in your mind. Well, the next one is really important. You never chase. I do not chase. I do not beg. I do not whine. I do not cry. Because look at, I'm valuable. I'm unique. I'm special. I'm wonderful. I'm the one worth having. And you should worry about losing me. I'm not chasing you. Well, high flyers, you never, ever, ever allow yourself to be the second option. And that can show itself in a number of different ways I won't get into here, but suffice it to say, you're either number one or not at all. You are either the top of the list or you're not even on the list. There's no in between. I'm very much that way now, and I never used to be. But if someone doesn't value my journey, my time, my presence, my life, my energy, if they're not willing to sacrifice something in order to express their love and desire for me, I don't chase. And I slowly take them off my list, sometimes quickly, because, I'm not valuable enough to them. I believe if somebody feels that you're valuable, they'll put skin in the game. They'll cancel another appointment. They'll break another date. They'll change their schedule. They'll do whatever it takes to make you feel important and special. And so when you let them know that you're not playing games in your life, that your life is valuable, your time is valuable, guess what? They worry about losing you. Well, next, I would say post fun stuff on social media. I'm not talking about posing for pictures. I'm not talking about that bullshit. I'm talking about have fun in your life. Do things and document it with a few pictures every day or so. When they see that you can live without them, that you have your own friends, your own journey, your own life, guess what? They worry about losing you. Well, finally, high flyers, pamper yourself. Whatever that means to you. For me, it means going out in the woods, in the Jeep, doing some off-roading. For somebody else, it might mean going to a beauty parlor. For someone else, it might mean going to the spa. Whatever it is that you need to do to pamper yourself, to enjoy your life journey. Now, one of the ways you can pamper yourself is to watch this next video. It's a special meditation that's only 11 minutes long. If you'll do it daily, it'll change your life. Here it is, coming up now.